Welcome to Kids Day. Today, let us learn the numbers. Train, come on way, bring in number 1 on way. Train, come on way, bring in number 1 on way. Hi, I'm number 1. Train, come on way, bring in number 2 on way. Train, come on way, bring in number 2 on way. Hi, I'm number 2. Train, come on way, bring in number 3 on way. Train, come on way, bring in number 3 on way. Hi, I'm number 3. Train, come on way, bring in number 4 on way. Train, come on way, bring in number 4 on way. Hi, I'm number 4. Train, come on way, bring in number 5 on way. Train, come on way, bring in number 5 on way. Hi, I'm number 5. Train, come on way, bring in number 6 on way. Train, come on way, bring in number 6 on way. Hello, I'm number 6. Train, come on way, bring in number 7 on way. Train, come on way, bring in number 7 on way. Hello, I'm number 7. Train, come on way, bring in number 8 on way. Train, come on way, bring in number 8 on way. Hi, I'm number 8. Train, come on way, bring in number 9 on way. Train, come on way, bring in number 9 on way. Hi, I'm number 9. Train, come on way, bring in number 10 on way. Train, come on way, bring in number 10 on way. Hello, I'm number 10. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.